It's time for 5 more track and field idioms and expressions. Firstly, in the running, this means a contender in a competition. For example, if I can get this in one, I'll still be in the running. Next is jump the gun. This means to do something before the appropriate time. For example, we've jumped the gun, Mum's going to be so angry. On your marks. This means get into your starting position, ready to begin. On your marks, get set, go. Raise the bar. This means increase the quality, standard, or expectations of something. That was the best one so far. They raised the bar this time. And finally, run out of time. This means have no time left to complete something. I ran out of time. I didn't finish the last section. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.